Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna make snowball cookies. They're also called like butter balls or something. But like always, list of ingredients will be down below in the description. But right now I have half a cup of softened butter in my bowl. So I'm just gonna cream that together. Well, just cream it so that it's a little bit softer for when I go and add in my sugar. A lot of recipes call to add in your butter, your sugar, and your vanilla and cream them together, but I'm always used to creaming my butter and sugar separately before I add everything in, so that's what I'm going to do here. This is about 3 to 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. And again, like always, if you don't have butter, some recipes call for unsalted, but I always use salted because it just adds a little bit more flavor. But if you use unsalted, that just means you can control the salt content. But I like to just keep adding in a lot of flavor. So, just creamed in my sugar. It's not gonna take long because unlike sugar cookies where you're adding in more sugar than butter, it's gonna take longer that way than to do it with just 3 tablespoons of sugar compared to a half a cup of butter. And then you're gonna add in a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. I'm just using clear vanilla today because I don't have the regular brown vanilla. And then I'm just gonna like mix that into the sugar and the butter. You could use a whisk for this, but I feel like it's unnecessary for when I go to add in my flour, because flour tends to be harder to mix in with a whisk than with a spatula. Okay, then I'm gonna add in a cup of flour. This may be a little bit more than a cup of flour because I didn't measure because my measuring cup for my flour got washed and I didn't feel like getting it out. So, but I'm just going to mix this together. This also will be a point where you add in your pecans or your walnuts or your almonds, but these are from my aunt and she specifically asked for not to have nuts in them. So, okay, what now you're gonna do, I have a parchment lined baking sheet on the stove, and or you could grease your baking sheet, it doesn't matter, it's just a way for that your cookies don't stick. And honestly, you can space them half an inch apart because they're not really going to spread because they're meant to be little blobs of cookie. So you can do that, and then I'll be right back for when they are out of the oven. They're going to take probably 8 to 12 minutes. Don't really know, but I will see you guys back when that happens, guys. So I have them all done. Just wanted to show you the last step. The first batch I kind of messed up a little bit because I think I added too much butter in that one and a little bit too much vanilla. So they're like flat compared to the ones where well, there was a thing with the flour too. I feel like there wasn't enough flour, but the ones where I put more flour in, they're kind of more like hills. So what you want to do now is you want to dip it and roll it all over into your powdered sugar. I only left like a few out to do with you guys. Alrighty, so I'm finished. I'm gonna try this small one down here. I really like these because the inside is not sweet, even though we did add in the 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. But you mostly get all the sweetness from the powdered sugar, which is really good for this. So, like I said at the beginning, the recipe will be down in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!